Good evening, students. Welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss the homework of today. So today is 22nd April, and I have given 4 questions to you in your homework. So that 4 questions I am discussing here. So your first question is convert 10040 meter into nanometer. So it is your first question that you have to convert 10040 meter into nanometer. So I am solving here question number 1. So this is the solution of question number 1. I hope if you pay attention, then you will easily understand what will be the answer. So here we have 10040, and as I tell you in the class that it is given in meter and we have to convert it into nanometer. So we multiply it with 10 raised to the power minus 9 and divide it with 10 raised to the power minus 9, so that this value does not change. Now this 10 raised to the power minus 9 is what? This 10 raised to the power minus 9 is called nano. So that means this term will become unit, and this term will become numerical value. So its numerical value will be, if I write here 10040 into 10 raised to the power 9. So I have no option here, so I further divide it with, as there are 2 points, some values, so this answer is not possible. So that's why we are moving to other options. Now we have to convert it into points, so I divide it with 100 and multiply it with 100. I hope you are getting my point. Now this will give us this division of this 100, this 10040 by 100 will give me 100.40. Then this term we will get again, so 10 raised to the power 9 into 100 will be the powers. So can I write 100 as 10 raised to the power 2, 10 raised to the power 2. So we will get 9 plus 2. If multiplication is there, then powers are added. So you can say the final answer for this question will be, now I am writing the final answer. This will be the final answer. That answer is 100.40 into 10 raised to the power 11. So I hope first question is clear to you now. The answer of this question 10040 meter into nanometer will be option number, now I clear, 10 raised to the power 11 should be there and 100.40. So its answer will be option number C, 100.40 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 raised to the power plus 11 nanometer. So this will be the answer, students. I hope question is clear to you. If question is clear, then you have to note down this question in your notebook. Okay. Now moving to second question. It is given that convert 4 nanometer into kilometer. Now we will take the same concept. 4 nanometer is given, so 4 into 10 raised to the power how much? Minus 9, because it is 4 nanometer and we have to convert it into kilometers, so we multiply it with 10 raised to the power 3 and divide it with 10 raised to the power 3. I hope this is clear, because this value should not be changed, so that's why we divide and multiply. Now this term will become kilo, and this term will become numerical value. So if we check the numerical value, so our final answer will be 4 into 10 raised to the power 10 raised to the power minus 9 minus 3, so it will be minus 12. This will be the answer, kilometer. You can check this numerical value is smaller than 4 nanometer, because kilometer is larger than nanometer, so its numerical value will decrease. So this is the concept. Also you can check the concept, numerical value is inversely proportional to units. But as these answers are almost some of the answers are almost similar, looking like very close, so you have to check the all options. So I hope question is clear. Now we are moving to question number 3, that is convert 60 milligram into kilogram. We have to convert 60 mg, that is 60 milligram, into kilogram. So now we are solving it. 60 milligram, so 60 milligram is equal to this 60 milligram, can I write it as 60 into, now you know what do you mean by milli. Milli means 10 raised to the power minus 3. Now this is minus 3, and I have to convert it into kilograms, so I multiply it with 10 raised to the power 3 and divide it also with 10 raised to the power 3. So this term will become kilo, and the remaining term will become numerical value, so its answer will be 60 into 10 raised to the power minus 3, and minus 3 will become 10 raised to the power minus 6. This term will be kilogram, so it will become like this one. Remember, in the beginning you have to write milligram, so it is the value of milligram, 60 into 10 raised to the power minus 3, then we multiply it with 10 raised to the power 3 and divide it, and finally we get 60 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 kg. So your option number B will be the answer. For third question you have option number B will be the answer. So in this way we can continue daily homework as well as notes discussion, so that you can clear your concepts. Now moving to the next question, convert 400 centimeter into micrometer. So we have to convert 400 centimeter into micrometer. Look at the question, 400 centimeter is given. So first of all we have to convert 400 centimeter into meters, so can I write it as 400? Now 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 2 meters, so that means this is the conversion into meters. So after it I have to multiply micrometer, I have to convert it into micrometer. So meter is here. If you say micro centimeter, then you will not need to convert centimeter into meter. I have converted centimeter into meters because here we have to convert, we have to get answer in micrometer. So that's why I converted centimeter into meters. Then micrometer, micro means 10 raised to the power minus 6. So now again in the denominator 10 raised to the power minus 6, and this value, this 10 raised to the power minus 6 will be the unit, that is micrometer, and the remaining value will be your numerical value. So numerical value will be 400 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 plus 6. So that means this value will be equal to 400 into 10 raised to the power 10 raised to the power 6 minus 2 plus 4 micrometer will be there. So your answer for this question will be option number B. So for this question, fourth question, you have option number B answer. So now I am erasing it. You can take the screenshot. Okay, after erasing you can see that for question number 4 your answer will be option number B. For question number 3, for question number 3 milligram into kilogram, your answer will be 60 into option number B. And further you can check the answers, and for this question you can check the answer. We have solved it earlier. So if you have any doubts, and if I hope your homework is clear to you now, if you have any doubts in your homework, then you can drop a message to me at my number that is already with you. So this is all about today's homework, that is 22nd April. So this is the worksheet. So this is the homework sheet that is given to you. So thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead, and please like and share this channel so that you can get regular updates whenever I upload a video related to you, because every time I will not share. So you have to like and share so that you can get the every update about the new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.